two, they're four, they're six, they're eight, shunting trucks and hauling freight. Red, orange, yellow, green, purple, black and blue, they're the really useful crew. All with different roles to play, round Tidmouth sheds or far away. Down the hills and round the all engines go. Thomas, he's the cheeky one, Percy's mail is always done. Connor has done super speed, Carly lives to help those in need. Bruno really knows his stuff, Neon, smart but sometimes has enough. Sandy fixes things everywhere, Diesel, he is tough and square. They're two, they're four, they're six, they're eight, shunting trucks and hauling freight. Red, orange, yellow, green, purple, black and blue, they're the really useful crew. All with different roles to play, round Tidmouth sheds or far away. Down the hills and round the all engines go. They're two, they're four, they're six, they're eight, shunting trucks and hauling freight. Red, orange, yellow, green, purple, black and blue, they're the really useful crew. All with different roles to play, round Tidmouth sheds or far away. Down the